Hey everyone, welcome to the Weiler channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install Google Play Store on Windows 10 without emulators. First, we need to enable virtualization. Go to Start, type Turn Windows Features on or off. We need to find Virtual Machine Platform. Enable it and click OK. While that's working, go to Start and type VCA Builds. Then head over to GitHub. Let's take a look. There it is. Next, restart your PC to enable this feature. Meanwhile, I'll scroll down. I'm using Windows 10. Let's go in and download. Here we go. I'm interested in the latest version. It's downloading now. Let's wait. Now, let's open the archive. I'll create a new folder for convenience. Like this. Let's extract it here. After that, open it and click Run. Let's launch it. I didn't actually restart my PC, so there might be some virtual machine questions, but it should be fine. Click Continue everywhere. Here's the virtualization part. You'll need to restart your PC for virtualization. Let's go through all of this. Now we can enter Google here. And there's Google Play. You've done everything correctly. That's all there is to it. This has been Weiler. See you next time.